Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's recipe, we're showing you how to make pumpkin spice syrup. In our previous recipe, we showed you how to make pumpkin spice, but today we're showing you how to make this syrup, which will be very useful in a lot of our upcoming videos where we show you how to make different pumpkin spice recipes for the fall time. So for this recipe, you will need 1 cup of water, 1.5 tablespoons of pumpkin spice, which we showed you in our previous video. It will also be linked in the description below, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. The next step is fairly simple. You're just going to add all the ingredients to the blender. And once you've done that, just blend it thoroughly. And after that, you are done. You can go ahead and store this in a jar. This will last you the entire season. It's so delicious and you can use it in so many recipes. You can also gift it to your friends if you'd like. It makes a perfect fall time gift. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest content. Have a great day, everyone.